Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got in this month's Boxy Charm, doing a mini tutorial and also a review. Love the products. I'm very satisfied. This is the card that comes in the box. It tells what products I have and what prices it range from. Okay, so first I'm going to be starting off with my Wonder Beauty Lift Off Beautifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This product contains a lot of really good ingredients like green tea leaf, astrac, and blueberry and goji berry. And it's really good for me because it minimizes my pores, and you guys know my pores are huge. It has a certain clay called kaolin clay, which minimizes my pores and replenishes dull skin. So this mask really good. It dried pretty fast. I also fanned my face a little bit so it can dry a little faster. So it took probably about 5 minutes to dry. Next, I'm going to be taking my Micellar cleansing water. This did not come in the box, but this will help get the rest of, that face mask off. This did not come in the box either, but next I'm going to be taking my Primrose oil and applying it to my face because I am going to be applying matte foundation, and I didn't want it to be like too matte. I didn't want that really dry look. So now I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte foundation and applying it on a foundation brush and then applying it to my skin. A little definitely goes a long way with this foundation, so I didn't apply too much because I don't like looking too fake. So next I'm going to be taking a wet beauty blender and just blending this out. Now I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Deep Sand and applying it under my eyes first because this concealer really dries really fast, so I have to work in sections with this. Now I'm applying it on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin, and blending that out. Next I'm going to be taking my favorite loose face powder, which is the Airspun powder, and applying that under my eyes to set my face, also down the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Next I'm taking my CoverFx Perfector face palette. This palette consists of 6 complexion essentials. The price of this product is $45. I'm going to be taking the contour inside and I'm going to contour. Next, I'm going to be taking these 2 brushes that came inside the box. They're pronounced either Mōda or Mōda, I'm not sure. One brush is a powder brush and the other is a soft glow brush. This is normally kind of used for highlighter and just a finishing look. I'm using the powder brush to brush away my translucent powder for that flawless finish. Next, I'm going to be taking the blush inside the palette and applying this to my cheeks. I really like this color blush. I don't normally do this kind of wine color, but I really liked it. This did not come inside of the box, but this is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I am in love with this liner already. As soon as now NYX has a lot of liners, but this one is the one. It's the one. Now from out that same palette, I'm going to take the highlighter that's on the right side, which was the more champagne color, and I'm going to spray my brush with my Morphe Continuous Mist, and I'm going to apply some highlight to my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, so on and so forth. Using my soft glow brush that came inside of the box. Now I'm going to be taking that finishing powder, and I'm going to use my powder brush, and I'm just going to apply this mostly on my contoured areas, but kind of like all over my face just to highlight. Now I'm going to be taking that brightener and kind of lightening up where I highlighted, and also applying some under my brows. So I'm going to put it under my brows, on the bridge of my nose, and on the tip of my nose, you know, to brighten it up. Now just to highlight a little more, because who doesn't love highlight, I'm going to take that highlight, that darker highlight that's on the left side, and place it on my cheeks. Now I'm going to be taking a normal brown that I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm going to be lining my lips. I'm sorry guys, I don't know the name of this MAC lipstick, but I'm going to be applying this to my lips. Now to top off my lipstick, I'm going to be taking my Oryza Opline Top Gloss. This came in my box this month. This is a weightless waterproof lip topper, adding an extra dimension and shimmer to my lips. Now I'm going to be taking my It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. This mascara I am in love with. Like, it gave my lashes like so much volume and so much thickness. Loved it. This product values at $24. I honestly think it did my eyelashes so well I didn't even have to apply flossies. So this is just a trick my best friend taught me a while ago. I'm just using the container that the mascara came in, placing it underneath my bottom lash line so I won't get any on my face, and applying some mascara. Last but not least, I'm just going to be taking my continuous Morphe mist inside of my face. And there you have it. The final look, using my Boxy Charm for March, for the month of March. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you guys like it. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. You guys know. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And meet me back for my next video. Thank you guys so much. Bye.
Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up.